Hello guys! In this video I am going to show you how to select your park in the Busch Gardens application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the guide button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the Busch Gardens Williamsburg button at the top of the page. And as you can see, you can select two parks, so Busch Gardens Williamsburg and Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.